Bonjour. In this video, we shall learn some greetings and salutations in French. These are words used to greet people in French. À bientôt. À bientôt. À demain. À demain. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À vos souhaits. À vos souhaits. Adieu. Au revoir. Bienvenue. Bonne chance. Bonne nuit. Bonjour. Bonsoir. De rien. De rien. Enchanté. Enchanté. The first one is spoken by a male speaker, the second by a female speaker. The pronunciation is the same, but the spelling is different. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Salut. Salut is a very informal word used only between friends or to people you know very well. Tant pis. Bonjour is a universal greeting that can be used in almost any situation. This greeting means good day in French, and it's the most polite of all greetings. Although it means good day literally, it can be translated even as good afternoon or good morning or simply as hello. However, this is used only from sunrise until sunset. After sunset, it needs to be replaced with bonsoir. 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 This is similar to bonjour but used only after 6 p.m. or after sunset. It means both hello and good evening and can be used in both a formal or in an informal situation. Salut. As mentioned earlier, it's a very casual greeting. Salut is appropriate when you say it to your family and friends. You can also use it if you know that you'll see the person again later on in the day in more relaxed surroundings. Au revoir. This is the most common way of saying goodbye in French. Like bonjour, it can be used in almost any situation, formal or informal. The phrase literally means until we meet again. If you know that you'll never see the person again, then it's better to use adieu, which means till God. It can be translated as farewell in English. So most of the time you will use au revoir, and if you know that you are not likely to see that person again, then you will use adieu. Salut, apart from hi, it can also mean bye in French. Unlike au revoir, it's less formal and can come in handy when you're talking on the phone with someone you know well, which basically means that in an informal situation, you can begin a conversation with salut and end with salut as well. À plus tard, à tout à l'heure. Both of these phrases mean see you later, and are used to express that you hope to see someone later but at an unspecified time. You can say à tout à l'heure in either a formal or informal situation, if you know that you will see that person later on in the day. À plus tard is appropriate only in informal circumstances. You may also hear its short form A plus or see it as A plus in informal emails. À bientôt. If you want to say see you soon in French, à bientôt is the best way to do that. If you know for sure that you will see someone in a matter of hours, you can use à très bientôt, which means see you very soon. So there's a difference between à tout à l'heure and à bientôt. If you know you are going to see the person within a few hours, maybe within 1 or 2 hours, then you can use à bientôt rather than à tout à l'heure. But if you are not sure when you will see that person, but you do know that you will see that person during that day, maybe after 5-6 hours, or maybe later on in the evening or at night, then you can use à tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. This is used before going to bed in order to wish someone good night in French. Or if you take leave of someone at night, even then this expression can be used. Bonne nuit. Comment allez-vous? Ça va. How are you? There are several ways to ask how are you in French, but these two phrases are the most popular ones. Comment allez-vous literally means how are you going, and is one of the most polite greetings in French. It can be used in almost any situation without worrying that you may sound rude. Comment allez-vous is formal and can be used in both formal and informal situations. Ça va is a French equivalent to the English phrase how's it going. Ça va is far less formal, but sometimes it may be appropriate in a wide range of contexts. However, it's generally used with friends or colleagues or with people you know very well. Comment vous appelez-vous? What's your name? To ask a person their name, you can say Comment vous appelez-vous, which is formal, or Comment tu t'appelles, which is informal. To answer, the reply will begin Je m'appelle, and then you can add your name. Enchanté. In written French, the second E within brackets is used if the speaker is female. If the speaker is male, then the second E within brackets is not used. However, the pronunciation in spoken French remains the same. Enchanté. After you greet a person, you can say enchanté. After you greet a person, you can say enchanté, which remains the most common way to say nice to meet you or pleased to meet you. The two forms of this phrase, masculine and feminine, have the same pronunciation but should be written differently as mentioned. If you're a woman, you'll need to write enchanté with an E. De rien. You're welcome. De rien literally means of nothing or even for nothing, and is the most widely used phrase to say you're welcome in French. It can be said in response when someone thanks you for something unimportant, for example, holding a door open. However, it's an informal expression and cannot be used in formal situations. In more formal situations, you can use an expression such as Je vous en prie. Je t'en prie, je vous en prie, mon plaisir, avec plaisir. These are expressions which mean you're welcome, but their use depends on the context. In a formal context, je vous en prie can be used. In slightly more informal context, je t'en prie. Mon plaisir can be translated as my pleasure, and avec plaisir, with pleasure. The use, as mentioned, depends on the context. This brings us to the end of this video. In this case, we can say simply au revoir.